Heading to New York for a business trip? Great news! Your company partnered with Ginger to make sure you're covered. Here's how it works. Step 1. Download the Ginger app and sign in with your work email. Step 2. Tap the Ginger Travel tab and select Add a new trip. You'll find a simple form to enter your travel details. Fill it in and you're ready to go. Your trip details will be right there. What's in your travel itinerary? All your documents are waiting in the My Documents tab. Travel itinerary, insurance approval, and any other relevant documents you'll need. Your travel benefits. Your flight delays for over an hour? Enjoy free access to business lounges worldwide. Just make sure to register your flight at least 2 hours in advance. Applies to scheduled flights only. Your baggage didn't arrive? No worries. File a baggage claim directly in the app and receive $150 compensation to your credit card within 4 hours. Don't forget to upload the lost and found report from the airport. Need to see a doctor while you are abroad? Visit any doctor of your choice or tap the 24/7 emergency hotline in the app. You can even consult with a doctor online. Simply upload your medical bills through the app and get reimbursed fast, directly to your credit card. Staying a bit longer for leisure? With Ginger, you can purchase private insurance just for the extra days and you're covered. Questions? Our support team is one chat away. Just message us directly in the app. Now you're ready to go. Have a safe flight and spice up your travel with Ginger app.